Welcome to this simple and accessible daily yoga flow to help you build and sustain your yoga practice. Remember, consistency always is the key, so taking small steps every day will help you build that yoga habit. Let's begin in all fours position. Make sure that your hands are directly beneath your shoulders, about shoulder width apart, and knees beneath your hips, also hip width distance apart. And then from this position, push the floor away from you, and then as you inhale, lift the chest up, lift the chin up, arching the spine, and then exhale, start doming the back, pushing the floor away from you even a little bit more, doming that upper back, and then draw the chin in towards your chest. And then continue switching between flexion and extension as you inhale, travel up, lifting the chin, and then exhale, push away, down the back, chin to chest. Then find a rhythm that works for you, combining the breath and the movement together. And last one. And then return to neutral position and tuck your toes under and slowly send the hips back and up into downward facing dog. Once you're in downward facing, feel free to walk your feet in place a few times. Again, finding a rhythm that feels good. And then from this position, from downward facing dog, as you inhale, come forward to plank with the shoulders above your wrists. And then exhale, press it back into downward facing dog. And again, inhale, glide forward to plank position. And exhale, take it back into down dog. One more time, inhale, come forward to plank. And then exhale, take it back into downward facing. Then from downward facing, inhale, come forward to plank once more, but this time with your next exhale, lower the knees down to the mat, then bending the elbows, lower all the way down to the floor. Then point the toes, inhale, lift the head and chest up to cobra, keeping the shoulders away from the ears and only lifting an amount that feels good today. And then exhale through all fours, tuck your toes under, and then come into downward facing dog. Take a breath here. And then inhale, come forward to plank position. And exhale, lower the knees down to the mat, and then lower all the way down to the floor. Point the toes, inhale, lift the head and chest up to cobra, and then exhale through all fours into downward facing. One breath here. And then inhale, come forward to plank position, and exhale, lower the knees down and lower down with control. Point the toes, inhale, lift to cobra, and then exhale, take it back into downward facing dog. One breath here. And then lower the knees down to the floor, keeping the knees together, feet together. Then sit the hips back towards the heels and walk the hands further forward to the top of your mat. And you can stay here, bringing the forehead to the floor, or if it feels good, see if you can bend the elbows, walking them slightly more forward. Press the palms together, fingers pointing to the ceiling, and then lower the forehead back down. And then release and slowly start walking the hands back until you come up to a seated position. Then swing the legs forward, extending them in front of you. And then bend the right knee and bring the heel in towards your groin. Then face towards your left leg as you inhale, prepare. Keeping that left leg straight, and then exhale, walk the hands forward, framing your leg, and then fold an amount that works for you. And then inhale, come back up. Bring the right foot to the outside of your left knee, and left arm wraps around your leg, and then turn to the right, bringing the right fingertips behind your back for support, and then gaze back over your right shoulder. And then inhale, turn back to the front, stretch the right leg straight, then bring the left heel to the groin, face towards your right leg, framing your leg with the hands. Inhale, prepare. And then exhale, fold to your right leg and stay breathing here. And then inhale, come back up and step the left foot to the outside of your right knee. Right arm wraps around your left leg. And then release the left fingertips behind you and then turn and gaze back over the left shoulder. And then inhale, come back to the front and then release. Bring the soles of your feet together with heels a good distance away from your groin. So you inhale, prepare, and you could catch your feet here if you'd like, or simply walk the hands forward. And with the next exhale, fold in, bringing the forehead towards your feet. And then inhale, come up. And exhale, release. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I hope you find those short classes helpful in helping you build that yoga habit. Thanks so much for being here today, and I'll see you in the next class.